everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this is a very relaxing video. I'm not wearing any makeup because I just got home from the gym and I have a Loot Crate unboxing. So this is a little late because it's from the month of December and I only got it this week. So I'm gonna do the unboxing anyway. So yeah, if you want to know what's in the box, just keep on watching. So first of all, I wanted to show you what I got in their Lootwear section. In the Loot for Her, and it was an item from Sanrio, which I think that's the creators of Hello Kitty and that stuff. It's not really my thing, but anyway. So yeah, I had to look a little bit into this, and it's this t-shirt. It's a blue t-shirt with this design. I'll probably just try to insert like a few clips or pictures for you to see better, and in the back it has a little star. So it's the Little Twin Stars by Sanrio, and it's an exclusive. And it also came with this tiny little trunk. Yeah, I can't get it to focus very well, but it's a small plastic thing, whatever. And yeah, so I really like the color of the t-shirt, but I'm not a very big fan of the design. But yeah, it feels very soft, and I'll probably still wear it like around the house or to sleep in. But now let's open up the box. So this was from the month of December and it's very late, and I didn't remember what the theme was. Yeah, so the theme for this crate, it's Explore, and it has items from Star Wars, Destiny 2, Guardians of the Galaxy, and they said there was a fourth mystery franchise, I think. So I cut the seal, and once you open up the box, this is what you're gonna see. It's very empty. Yeah, the inside of the box is Star Wars. It's very cool. I went to see the new Star Wars movie and I really liked it. So it always comes with a t-shirt, and I'm gonna save it for last. Okay, so I already know what this is, because it's the Twisted Metal Ice Cream Scooper, and it's like I scream from screaming, and it's an official licensed product and a Loot Crate exclusive. And I already know this because my boyfriend got it in a Loot Gaming box a few months back. So now we have two. This is very cool because it's an ice cream scooper. And it says, I scream, you scream, we all scream. Yeah. And it has a really creepy clown on the handle. Next, I have the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 16-month 2018 calendar. So I could really use an item like this. It's very cool and I really like Marvel movies. So it has a little hole to like put it on a wall or something, and it's January. So yeah, each month it has like a very cool design like this, and yeah, in the end it's got till April 2019, and on the back you have like all the designs. I've never got any item like this in any of the previous boxes, and I think it's a very cool idea. And next we have Star Wars Adventures Destroyer Down. It's a comic book. I'm gonna take... Yes, I am going to take this comic book out of the plastic. So yeah, I have never read any of the Star Wars comics. I don't know if they're any good, but I really like this item. This is the first comic book I got in the loot crate, and I'm definitely gonna read this. Next, we have the pin for this month. So it always comes with a t-shirt and a pin, and this month's pin, it's a spaceship, and it always unlocks some kind of digital content, and I think this month it was another comic book. Okay, they usually had a magazine with the box. I kinda didn't usually read it anyway, so maybe I guess this time they switched it up to a little card that says what's on the box. And there's still the t-shirt. It's black. It looks a little thin. And it's the Destiny item, so I usually get mine in a size large. This is the design. I haven't played Destiny, but from what I've seen it looks very fun. So I'm probably gonna have to do a little search to know what this is, but it's a very cool design. So we have the exclusive Destiny 2 t-shirt, the exclusive, oh nice, the exclusive Star Wars Adventures graphic novel, the calendar. It's not an exclusive, but it says it's a Loot Crate Edition Guardians of the Galaxy 2 mini wall calendar. The exclusive, it's this, the exclusive retro pocket. It's not retro pocket, it's exclusive retro rocket metal pin, and one mystery loot drop. And it says explore our other crates with one of our favorite exclusive marked items from Marvel Gears and Goods, Loot Anime, Loot Gaming, and more. And it has a 15% off code that is Explore15. I'll leave it on the screen if you want to use it. Oh, okay, so for what it says in the end of the card, they made the magazine kind of digital content, so I think it's okay. It's a little environment friendly, I'm just gonna flip the box inside out. So this is the design on the box. It's all black and white, but it's very cool, and the other side is just black. So what was my favorite item? Let me see. We have the Destiny t-shirt, we have the pin, we have the graphic novel, the ice cream scoop, and the Guardians of the Galaxy calendar. I don't know, I'm kind of torn between the Guardians calendar and the comic book. The pin, it's kind of simple, and I mean, I like the t-shirt, but it's definitely not my favorite item. And this, I already have one of it, so it's kind of probably between these two. And let me know in the comments below which of these would be your favorite item, or if you got the crate as well, let me know what other mystery item did you get. So that's everything for today's video. I know it's kind of a little different from my other videos, but I kinda am into these geeky things, and well, maybe you are too. So give it a thumbs up if you want to see more of these videos, and don't forget to subscribe in the button down below. And also down below I have all my social media, go follow me on there if you want to, and I'll also leave the link to Loot Crate if you haven't tried it and want to give it a go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!